Well, the bench is clean. So I'm going to set the motor on top, and then I'm going to get the bench all dirty while I'm cleaning up the motor. But I think that's the easiest way to do it. Otherwise, I'm going to have to do a whole lot of wrenching with the thing unanchored. So that is the plan. We're just going to do it. Big thing right now is just wiping it down, making sure I got all the dirt off of it, get it cleaned up. I'm not going to fuss a whole lot with a major rust. I'm just going to try and get it cleaned up and ready to go back together again. Serious amount of weight on this thing. It's not plastic, that's for sure. Okay, got it mounted on solid. Take off the guards and this plate. Another thing needs to be done is getting these arbors cleaned up, because that nut is not going to come off easily. I guess I'm going to make it. Pretty rusty on the end there though. It's a left-handed nut. nuts on the wheels are only supposed to be hand tight. Just like the chainsaw grinder. There we go. Paper rusted on. Take the gloves off. It acts like the bearings are a little unhappy. And I got a bunch of stuff stuck on that right there. Now they call these lifetime bearings, but I don't know whose lifetime that is. You're not ever supposed to lubricate them. So I don't know if you can even get in there and do anything to them. So I'm going to unplug it, take the cover off, look inside, see if there's any way to do some improvement on those bearings. Because right now, it's acting like they're running dry. It should spin for a while. This actually took about half an hour to wipe up all this stuff. So, just going to kind of speed through this. Got a little run out on that backer. Everything's unplugged. Impact drivers are cool. Nope, that's a lifetime sealed bearing. I'm not going to be able to get in there and put any oil in it. There's no lubrication, no nothing, just replacement. There's no clicking. It's just not spinning as free as I'd like it to. No clicking or grinding. All the wiring looks okay. Coils are fine. Nice job on the coils. They're all copper windings. I think I'm just going to put it back together. You always want to put in all the screws before you tighten anything down. Otherwise, you have a good chance of throwing one last screw out of alignment by the time you get the other ones tightened down. Need to get over there so I can work right-handed. Well, the internals look fine. The bearings are coming around a little bit after they spun up a while. So I'm not going to be doing any tear down on the bearings or taking the shaft out or rebuilding the armature. YouTube tells me that 95% of you guys come back more than once, but only 15% of you are subscribers. Why don't you just take a moment and click on the button and become a subscriber? You can click on the bell and become notified every time I put up a new video. Monday through Friday, noon. Saturday and Sunday, 9 a.m. We have lots of fun here at the shop. I'd like to have you join us. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I'd read them all. Thanks for watching.